Activating your AirTalk Wireless device starts with setting up your SIM card. For a physical SIM, insert it into the SIM slot of your unlocked GSM device. For eSIM setup, download the AirTalk app, select the eSIM option, and scan the provided QR code to download the eSIM profile. This digitally embeds the SIM for streamlined activation. AirTalk emphasizes eSIM adoption, with it now accounting for 60% of new signups as of 2025, due to its convenience and alignment with digital SIM trends. After SIM eSIM setup, configure the access point name APN to enable data services. For most Android devices, AirTalk's APN setting is Internet. For iOS, it's Cellular. Manually set this in your device's network settings. Key APN parameters include AirTalk, APN Internet, MMSC, HMS.AirTalkWireless.com, MMS Proxy, AirTalkWireless.com, MMS Port 80. Incorrect APN settings can block data and MMS. After APN configuration, perform a first call test by calling AirTalk's support line, 611, or a friend to confirm voice functionality. Test data by browsing a website. These steps ensure your AirTalk device is fully functional. AirTalk reports a 92% success rate for self-activation as of Q3 2025, showing how user-friendly the process is.